Hi guys, due to the saddlebags on this bike, I'm having a bit of trouble manoeuvring it and getting it out here safely without hitting the cars or anything like that. Then I've got to get around here, swing it, push it back out of here to get it into it. So I've decided I might remove the pillion seat, might also remove both saddlebags. That'll be a little bit safer for me to ride it or reverse it out or get it out for a clear run, and I think that'll be a lot better move on my part. Having a bit of trouble getting over this, swinging over this seat here with this saddlebag seat sticking up a bit, so I think I'll remove it. Plus the saddlebags. Shouldn't be that hard to do. Back into here to undo this bolt. Mounting one at the back. That way I'm it'll be a little bit more narrower. The saddlebag and the pillion seat are all integrated together, so it took probably, I don't know, close on half an hour to remove them. The rear pillion seat was pretty simple, just with the front bolts from one side of the frame and your mounts that fit on the rear shock either side. So that's out of the way. When you get to the Pegasus saddlebags, they are pretty well put together, so they strap on there nicely and hold there, and then when you look at the frame, once it's off the bike, it's a pretty good quality frame considering. Once again, we'll bring her back around. So it's not something they just slapped on there and said this will do, it's only an Enfield. They put a bit of thought into it, and I think, like I said, nicely made. When you look at the saddlebag itself, it too is pretty well made, with Velcro down here to attach and hold it together. It's got a handle here, or strap I should say, if you want to go out and just carry it around like that, or if you'd like to, inside there's a shoulder harness or a strap, and you could just clip it onto here, throw it over your back and just carry it around like that if you didn't want to do it on the bike. Like I said earlier, the main reason I'm doing this to my bike is because there's a bit of an obstacle coming back in and out of here, and for the time being I'll just ride without it. But overall, I'm pretty happy with the bags, so you know, they're nicely constructed, so I'll just put them aside and I can use them some other time. Here's a bit of a look at the neck strap that comes with each bag. So you got good quality clip fittings either side for the old throw over the shoulder trick. And then when you look into the bag itself, you've got it lined in there, so it's not too bad. So I think overall these are pretty good saddlebags for the price. Oh well, not about the price, because you can't, as far as I know, you can't buy them as an option, but it's still a good bag to go with the bike, so I think it'd give a pretty quality product for what you get. Even if you look at them weight wise, that'd probably only be, I don't know, 3 or 4 kilos, if that. Anyway, that's a rough look at what the saddlebags look like on a pull down and stuff like that, so you got a bit of an idea how they're made and so on. Thanks for watching. Here's a better look now at the Pegasus without its saddlebags on it and the rear pillion, and I think it looks a lot better. Or it looks like the other sort of C5s, but it still looks nice. I think I quite like it like this.